Okay.
So
Here we are. We are here at Connecticon again because we have nothing else better to do over the summer. So we spend it doing this. Nate and Jester went to go get food after only being here an hour before us. Lame as hell. But they're Aki and Himeno, so we got the Chainsaw Man degenerates going today. So we're gonna take some photos and do some things, and yeah. Look at these fucking guys. Look at these fucking guys. Slushies. Like, can't believe this.
I know you're jealous.
I don't even like slushies like that.
Oh, so you're a bitch?
Nah, because I like milkshakes. I'm trying to drink your milkshake.
Hey, yo!
Woo! We're in full force right now, guys. You know, I don't want to be that guy, but I mean, like, are we gonna ignore what Himeno did though? Are we gonna be the? Are we gonna do that though? Like,
don't make Jester laugh.
I mean, allegations are allegations. You know, I mean, like, it's not like it was proven. Guys, you ready?
Look at the sunset. It's so nice. I will stop.
Like TikTok cosplayers, ones that do all the dances.
Is
Start
it?
clapping.
I'm pretty sure.
Start clapping.
Is it?
The fuck is wrong? Bully for president. Oh shit! Fuck! Oh no! An assassination attempt! The idols are idling. Look at Atlas go! Oh my goodness! Bang!
Yo, that's the battle pass.
The battle pass. Hey yo, Atlas, you got the battle pass?
That should look like the battle pass.
Oh my god. I'm back at the Airbnb. And I am so exhausted, and we were only there for like a few hours, not even a full day, so this weekend's gonna be long. Twas fun. I won't show August, but they're in the floor in the corner right now, organizing things. We shall go say hello to Nate and Jester because they're upstairs because they got the second floor. Hello? Oh, I freaking, this thing's like, hello? 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 Damn, why is your shit got a light in it? Or not a light, a lock?
Oh yeah, the bottom one doesn't.
Crazy work.
Yeah, we're good.
No, we're just saying goodnight.
Night night.
Okay, guys, so we are gonna see you guys in the morning. Oh.